Have you ever wondered why people across the world live, celebrate, and believe so differently? From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the quiet villages of the Amazon, humanity expresses itself in extraordinary ways. That's where cultural anthropology steps in, the science of understanding what makes us who we are. At its heart, cultural anthropology is the study of societies, traditions, and belief systems. Unlike archaeology that digs into the past or biology that looks at our genes, cultural anthropology focuses on the living cultures around us today. It asks questions like, why do certain rituals matter so much? What symbols carry meaning in a community? And how do different societies adapt to challenges while keeping their identities alive? Let's take an example. In Bali, the vibrant Hindu ceremonies, with their colorful offerings and dances, aren't just performances, they are expressions of harmony between humans, nature, and the gods. Meanwhile, among the Maasai of Kenya and Tanzania, elaborate rites of passage define life's milestones, shaping not just personal identity but community belonging. Each culture is like a unique lens, offering its own wisdom on how to live and thrive. But anthropology isn't only about observing, it's about connecting. When researchers live among different societies, they discover values that can challenge their own perspectives. For instance, in some Pacific Island cultures, wealth is measured not by what you keep but by what you give away. Imagine how different our world would feel if generosity, not accumulation, was the highest social value. And here's the fascinating part, these insights don't stay in textbooks. They shape how we travel, how we do business globally, and how we understand our own neighbors. Cultural anthropology helps us appreciate that no way of living is inherently superior. Every society holds its own form of genius, developed over centuries of experience. For travelers, this means every journey is more than sightseeing. It's an invitation to step into another worldview, to learn why people believe what they do, and to reflect on how diverse practices create a shared human story. Whether it's joining a tea ceremony in Japan, listening to oral storytelling in West Africa, or walking through the Day of the Dead celebrations in Mexico, each experience becomes a bridge between cultures. So, next time you pack your bags, remember that the landscapes are breathtaking, but it's the people, their rituals, and their beliefs that turn a trip into a life-changing journey. After all, anthropology reminds us that to understand humanity is to embrace its incredible diversity. If you could live for 1 year inside a completely different culture, which would you choose, and why?